As a language model, ChatGPT has several limitations, among them top 5 explained in this video. Biased responses. Like any machine learning model, ChatGPT is prone to biases that may be present in the training data. As a result, it may generate biased or offensive responses that could harm certain groups of people. Limited common sense knowledge. ChatGPT has been trained on a vast amount of text data, but it lacks common sense knowledge and reasoning capabilities that humans possess. Therefore, it may not always be able to provide accurate responses to questions that require logical reasoning or contextual understanding. Limited understanding of context. Although ChatGPT can understand the general meaning of a sentence, it may not always be able to understand the specific context in which the words are being used. As a result, it may provide irrelevant or inaccurate responses to certain questions. Lack of emotional intelligence. ChatGPT does not possess emotional intelligence and may not be able to understand or respond appropriately to emotional or sensitive topics. Limited multilingual capability. While ChatGPT can understand and generate responses in multiple languages, its proficiency in non-English languages may be limited due to the lack of training data available for those languages.